I've been happily married for 15 years, and I try and keep my marriage off social media for the most part. And here's the reason why. Marriage is already hard enough, right? But if you spend too much time on social media, you can actually be influenced by the wrong people. Because an excessive amount of social media can actually change your whole brain chemistry. You will find yourself measuring your spouse up against influencers, and they're on here acting, baby. Social media is not real life. It's a playground that you should play on for a little bit and then take yourself back to reality. So if you're in an otherwise good marriage and you're contemplating leaving your spouse over something that you saw, heard, have been influenced on social media, you're being a fool. Maybe you need to take a break. Take a break. Go do a puzzle with your spouse. Go take a walk. Go do something, but get off social media because no.